Michelle with Pink and Main, and today we're going to do an unboxing of our March 2020 Crafty Courtyard box. The theme is celebrations. It's special this month because this month Pink and Main celebrates 6 years in business. I think that's awesome, and special thanks to all of you for supporting us and loving what we do as much as we love it. So here's on the back of the postcard, we've got a little bit about the box and what's inside, our color palette, and where you can join our Facebook group and get inspired by creations by other people, as well as sharing your creations with the box's contents. There's a little oops on this postcard, and I do apologize. I put that there's a stencil in the box, and we're actually giving you something else instead. So I apologize, but I will get to that in just a bit. Here is this month's paper palette. You're getting half sheet of one of our sparkle sheets in silver. This stuff is gorgeous. If you have not seen this in person, you're gonna wanna scoop up quite a few packages of this. It just adds such sparkle and shine. This silver has like a holographic glitter in it as well, and it just shines so many different colors in the light. It's very pretty. As you know, our sparkle sheets, they are a heavy cardstock and they die cut beautifully, and the glitter does not shave off or flake off easily, so you don't have a glittery mess when you use it. Our colors, we've got a beautiful orange, purple, teal, nice bright pink, and of course you get 2 sheets of our 110-pound ice rink white cardstock. You're going to get 4 ice rink white envelopes, which I don't have here with me, but you always get your envelopes because if you're making cards, it's always nice to have the envelope to put them in. You're going to get one of our 8.5 by 11 mesh zippered bags. These are really nice for keeping all of your project contents together, or if you take stuff on the go, you can put stuff in there to go with you. You're getting an exclusive sequin mix in some fun bright colors that coordinate with the kit. Don't forget your 1-inch collectible flare button badge. It's got a little present on it. You're getting a 6x6 paper pad this month, and we're doing something a little different. Your papers will come in this cello or clear bag, so you can keep all the papers together. You can put your scraps in here as you work through and use the papers, but they're not bound to a paper pad, and I really like that because one thing I dislike about paper pads being bound is when you tear, I always tend to accidentally tear part of my sheet or something. So we're doing something a little different, and we've got all our 6x6 papers loose. This is still a full 24 sheet paper pad. They're just not bound together, and they're printed here in the US, and just listen to the quality of that cardstock they're printed on. These are gorgeous, thick, quality papers, and I think you're gonna love the patterns and the colors. We've got lots of variety in here. There's 24 different patterns, and there's 2 of each because they're double-sided. One thing I'm also doing is I'm gearing the paper pads. I'm designing them more to coordinate with the items in the kit specifically. So you'll see sometimes images from the stamp set that's in the kit, and it makes it real easy to put projects together because they coordinate so nicely. You're also getting 5 different ribbons this month that coordinate with the kit perfectly, and you get about 1 yard of each ribbon, so you're getting lots of ribbon here to use for several projects. We've got some fun chipboard stickers with some of the elements that you'll see in the stamp set. They coordinate beautifully with the paper pad and really with everything in the kit. I mean, we try to give you a kit that you can just pull out and create so many projects that coordinate perfectly together. Now this, instead of the stencil that I wrote on the postcard, you're getting an embossing folder. I just saw this and just thought this would be a really fun addition. I'll flip the embossing folder up so you can really see what it's going to emboss on your paper. It's got celebrate and happy birthday all over it, and I thought it was really fun and can make some really great cards with this embossing folder. You're going to get these lovely enamel shapes. You've got hearts and dots here. And oh my gosh, look at that pink. It's so gorgeous. You know my favorite color is pink, if you haven't guessed by now. But I love all these colors, and they coordinate beautifully with the entire kit. We've got an exclusive die this month. So this is a nice frame die, and it has this little wonky, cloudy, scallop type border around it. You're also going to get this little banner flag that's nice for sentiments. So you get 2 dies in this, and this is a nice big size die. Last but not least, we've got our 6x6 stamp set. And as you can see, we've got nice, big, bold icons. These are easy to color. If you don't want to color them, you don't have to. You can just stamp them right onto, say, some pattern paper and cut them out and do some paper piecings. You can really have fun with these. And then we've got some fun sentiments that is perfect for, you know, either birthdays or just in general celebrations. It says, "It's your special day. My gift to you. There's always room for cake. Make a wish and wear the party hat like a crown." So I hope you've enjoyed this closer look at our March 2020 Crafty Courtyard kit. This celebrations theme kit is one of my favorites, and maybe I say that every month, but I love the bright, vivid colors and the patterns, the stamp set. We're always making birthday cards. It's just something we always need in our stash. And I just know you can make a ton of them using this kit. So head on over to pinkandmain.com and pick yours up today while they last. And until next time, keep living the creative life.